I want to find a bottle of water, not cold. In refrigerator, big, not big, I want small. Small. If don't have, I will take in refrigerator. Don't have. So many chips, see, so many chips. About 50 peso from minimum was 21, 50, 80. Rexona. I cannot see bottle of water, no cold. Okay, I will take cold water. 10 peso only. But I have in my car. Little bit I need to now drink.
Yan. Ingatan nyo lang yung sa nagdodobol ka na.
Sige, no?
Siyempre may ipag-regalo yung pera mo sa bata. Minsan, yung pinas mo lang muna, baka tapos na yan. Siya ulit yung pagkata. Hindi ka mag-over.
Pen?
Tapos na short.
Pero minsan lang.
Ano pa siya? Nag-delay pa magbukas.
Okay, thank you. Bottle of water, okay. Thank you. So we'll drink. Cold water not good, but don't have no choice. Only have cold water only. Better normal water for me. Here have balut. I think 50 peso here balut. Another street foods. What is this? How much? Butter corn. Butter corn. I think pre-Christmas time and not many people now. Most of the people already in home, in province. Who work now in this time, I don't know. Okay, I will show to you. In Fields Avenue, how many people, how many tourists, how many girls, you can see. Resta bar. This is Resta bar popular here for Western people. I don't want to walk near bar very close because YouTube always say need to re-edit video, blur or sound remove. That's why it's not good. And many times edit video if I walk near bar girls. So for me better side also. SS bar after fire, but they still open. You see, soon open. Thank you. Now open. S2 bar. S2 bar. Soya open, yes, soya bar open. 70 peso. $70 lady drink, I think. Or, no, maybe not lady drink. I think 70 peso it's what, only drink for customer. Lady drink, I think, expensive. I don't know. Long time I've not been in the bar. I don't know prices. Korean cherry bar. Barangay people don't have near Phillies now. And girls already stand in front of Phillies right now. No, they not, they just only walk because the barangay not allowed. I will ask now. So, it's good guy who work in the Phillies bar. Hello. I want to ask you, but the freelancers now not allowed to stand here in the Phillies bar.
Yeah, it's allowed, but it has a tourist police control them.
Tourist police control. Ah, okay. But if they walk here, it's allowed. Walk.
Because some customer don't like them, some customer they like them.
Ah, okay. Also, one subscriber asking about some of use phone and do live stream in the Phillies bar, and they asking me, it's already not allowed in Phillies bar to do live stream or not. They say not some of people not pay money, only live stream. Ah, you don't know.
I don't hear like that, you know. I don't
Ah,
hear.
okay.
But because some customer they do streaming. Like,
Yeah, I know.
Money.
Ah, yeah, I know. I don't want stream live stream. I want better work for me. I want not stay always long time in one place.
Better walk, it's good.
Yeah, walk is better. I sit, I bored here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Hammer Resta Bar. Red Street, okay, I don't want to go. I come back to home. Noisy, and you know, I need many times edit video from the walking street, Red Street. Why I need so many haters? Because you know, some of people don't like, not some of, most of the people who work in the bar, they don't like camera. Why I need attention? It's okay. You can watch this video in the Fields Avenue. It's enough, I think. No, walking street always the same. Different bar of name only.